Hey guys, what up? It's Mr. Nice Guy 168 here, aka Thomas. Here with a box break of the new stuff, Topps Finest 0708 basketball. I've been waiting to get this for a long time, but if you guys haven't seen yet, I bought a box from Starberry Matrix and for his rip party, and I pulled a 1-of-1 super refractor of Shaq. So now I'm gonna bust one myself, and here we go. This is just awesome. Look at the design. It's like a triangle. Pretty nice. So you get 3 mini boxes, and then you get like an autograph per mini box. So let's do this. So mini box number 1. Let me get my cutter. You guys haven't noticed, I'm giving you the side view today, so it's a new view, so hope this is a better angle. So, yeah. Alright, here we go. Each mini box, there's 5 packs. They all look so thick. Right, here we go. First pack. Can you guys see? Alright. I'm not going to read out the base. There we go. Got a Shaq. Actually, I need this, just the base. Whoops. For my, going to do a rainbow of the Shaq set. And Spencer Hawes, Raymond, Ramon Sessions rookie. Nothing much. So, second pack. T-Mac for Joe Johnson, number 11, rookie redemption, green refractor, I think. Yeah, green refractor. So whoever that is, Glenn Davis and Sean Williams, rookie. All right, I'm probably gonna split this in actually three videos. So because I'm not a fast pack opener, so alright, third pack. Got Larry Bird, got a Yao Ming for my PC, and then we got green refractor of Spencer Hawes, and it's numbered to 149. Yep. So that's one right there. Jason Smith, and we got Kevin Durant rookie. Very nice. So fourth pack. We got, let's see, LeBron James base, and we got Jamal Davidson blue refractor out of 199. Jamal Davidson and C.J. Watson rookie. This one looks thick. Should I open this one first? Here we go, fourth pack. Iguodala. Got Luol Deng refractor, not numbered, and Wilson Chandler, Jared Dudley, rookie. And I think our auto is in this pack, so let's see what we get. How are we doing on time? 3 minutes. All right, here we go. Jermaine O'Neal, Tim Duncan. On the back we have Mario West, rookie, I think. Corey Brewer, rookie, and our auto is Nick Vazikis refractor auto. So alright, so I guess we can do one more box. What's the time? 4 minutes? You know what, I'm gonna do this, split this in 2 parts. So alright guys, we're back. Second mini box of the Topps Finest. Here we go. We'll try to go a little bit faster this time. Do the second and third box. First pack. Dwight Howard. Got a blue refractor of Toron Green, number 199, I think. Yep. So Al Horford, Morris Salmon, rookie. Second pack. Base, Brandon Roy. We got number 25, refractor. Actually, no, not refractor, is it? Actually, it is just a 25 regular. So, 25 regular, Kobe Caro, Josh McRoberts, rookie. Base, got a, yeah, we got a, actually says refractor of Allen Iverson, Nick Young, Luis Scola, rookie. Base, David Robinson, refractor. Herbert Hill, Toron Green, rookie. Fourth pack. Base, got Chris Paul. We got, oh god, not him. Juan Carlos Navarro, refractor auto. If you guys haven't heard, this guy just left the NBA, went back to his FC Barcelona team in Spain to play for them. So, yeah, unfortunately, yeah. So that's my second auto, and Al Thornton, Orlando Tucker, rookie. And our last pack for mini box number 2 is, we got a green refractor of AC Law, very nice, number to 149. Whoops. So Julian Wright, Dominic McGuire, rookie. So let's do the third box, third one, final one. Here we go. Doing good on time, very nice. Let's try to get something good in this one. Oh crap, can't open it. Oh, there we go. We got a John Stockton refractor, Jameson Curry, and Thaddeus Young, rookie. So, second pack. LeBron James. Got number 6, black refractor. So, whoever that be, number 6. Who could number 6 be? Got Greg Oden and Aaron Brooks, rookie. Number 6. Who could go number 6? Actually, Kevin Love might go number 5. I'll go number 6. Not sure, so we'll find out. Got Jeff Green, black refractor out of 75. Very nice. AC Law, Yi Jianlian, rookie. Third pack. Murray, Steve Nash. We got a Jerry West refractor. Juan Carlos Navarro, and a Pacinco, rookie. Fourth pack. Kobe Bryant. Oh snap! We got a terrible Herbert Hill auto. Just nasty. This is terrible. Chris Richards and Jeff Green, rookie. And our last pack. Darren Williams, refractor. And DJ Strawberry, Jamaro Moon, rookie. So let's recap. Got Darren Williams, refractor. Jerry West, refractor. Jeff Green, black refractor. John Stockton, refractor. AC Law, green refractor. David Robinson, refractor. Allen Iverson, refractor. Teron Green, blue refractor. Lou Aldang, refractor. Jamario Davidson, blue refractor. Spencer Hawes, green refractor. We got 6, 25, and 11 green refractor draft picks. 6 is the black refractor draft pick. And we got Juan Carlos Navarro auto, Herbert Hill auto, and Nick Fazekas auto. So don't like the box. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Talk to you guys later.